Hi friends, today I'm study how to install Java on Windows step-by-step process. Uh, the first you have to check whether the Java is installed or not in your operating system. So go to the command prompt. In command prompt, then click Java hyphen version and enter. If at this at the starting you are not sure this version because you are not installed in your system, so go to the download, go to the Google and Google it. Just download Java and enter. After entering, you will show the first www.oracle.com. Click on it. And then we have show the Java 19 and Java 17, all these version of Java, and this Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and Windows operating system, for which you have to download for the Windows. I am download the Java 11 version. This version is based for the Jenkins, and so I will download for it Java for Windows, and then click on the 64 installer. Then click for this is acceptance button. Then click on download. We have required the Oracle account. I have already signed in, so I am just logging. I give a password, then enter it. Automatically, the download will be started in your system, and you have got the download on your download folder. So go to the download folder where show that Java 11 will be download on your system. And then after the downloading, click on it. You have do you have all? Let's just click on yes. This is I am already installed for this. It shows that reinstall. You click on yes. Then after clicking on yes, you have download the Java 11 in your system. But going to the command prompt, you have not show the version of Java. The one we have required step three setting environmental variable. So go to your file explorer. We have to see that Windows C. In the Windows C, we have program file. In your program file, we have shown the Java folder. In this Java folder, your Java will be installed, and all the folder for the file folder for the data analysis for the data of Java, which will be stored will be shown in this folder. So first click on it, and then after click on the path of this Java folder and copy it, and then after click this PC and click on right button. After right button, we will show more option, and then properties. In the properties, we will show the one more function which we known as advanced function. Click on advanced function, and we have option environment variable. Click on environment variable. So you have show that two option: use variable for the user and system variable. So in the system variable, we have create one folder, the Java home for new folder. You click on, if already present, then no worry to create, but you have not first time you have not show the Java folder. That's why for folder create new. After create new, first type Java phone. Sorry, Java phone. And you copy the path, then you paste it out here, and then click on OK button. Just clicking on OK button, you will show the Java phone. Okay. Then after you have created one path, then create on the path. Then after click on edit. After click on edit, then click on the edit text. Okay. You have shown that when I'm clicking on the first time, you have only the bill will be available. You have will only available in bill. After the bill, you just copy this path and paste it here. And click on OK button, and your path will be uh, pasted out here. Then click on OK button, and click on OK button. The setup will be complete here. Then close the all stuff and go to the command prompt. Clicking on command prompt, just check it out. Java, um, Java hyphen version, then enter. Then you have shown the you have successfully installed the Java version uh, in your operating system. Please subscribe my channel for the interesting video. Please comment on my video for any topic which I cover. Thank you.